Have you ever wanted to create professional product ads like this, without a camera or an expensive photo shoot? Well, I created this entire ad using just one product photo and one model photo with Google Flow. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how. First, open Google Flow. Click on Add Media and upload your product photo and your model photo. Once both images are uploaded, add them to the prompt so Google Flow can use them while generating the video. Now select Omni Flash. Then set the video duration to 10 seconds. After that, simply paste my prompt. Now click Generate and wait just a few seconds. And that's it. Google Flow will automatically create a realistic cinematic product advertisement with smooth camera movements and premium commercial quality visuals. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI video tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.